Welcome to the video tutorial on the issue of the OBC certificate. Through this video tutorial, the user can issue an OBC certificate online through the single sign-on web portal. Firstly, the user has to visit the SSO login portal. In case the user is new to the portal, they can create a new account to avail the services listed in the portal. Now we log into the portal using our credentials. On logging in, the user is provided with a list of services integrated into the portal, out of which the user has to select the appropriate service. In our case, it is the OBC certificate. Once we click on the OBC certificate, we reach the dashboard of the service. This is the OBC dashboard. The side menu consists of New Application, where the user can fill up new application for the registration, My Application, where the user can view the application they have filled. The Applied section consists of the applications that are already submitted to the department. The Approved section consists of the applications that are approved by the department. The Rejected section consists of the applications that are rejected by the department. These are some of the guidelines that a user must go through before filling up the form. The guidelines also consist of the documents that are necessary to apply for the OBC certificate. All the notifications regarding the application submitted to the department can be found in the application updates. Now we begin with the form filling up procedure. In order to do so, we click on the New Application button on the side menu. If we click on it, the user will be directed to the online registration form. This is the online registration form. Filling it is a three-step procedure. First is applicant details. Second, uploading the necessary documents. Third is confirmation and payment. Now we begin with the first step, filling up the applicant details. In the application processing location, the user needs to fill up details regarding the location where the application needs to be processed. So we select the required district, select to be issued from field and the desired location code. In the applicant details section, we select the necessary salutation, mention the applicant name, select the gender and fill all the necessary details in this section. In the family details section, we mention the name of the family members, their marital status, age, gender, relationship. To add more members, we click on the Add Family Member button. Once this is done, we fill up the details in the permanent address section, which is filling up the house number, address, address line 1, district, subdivision and all the details listed. This is followed by the submitting the applicant's image and signature. This is the declaration section which the user must go through, and if found relevant, the user may check the box. Now we move to the step 2 of the form filling up procedure by clicking on the Save and Continue button. In this step, the user is given with the option of uploading the various documents. In the income proof, the user needs to upload the income certificate. After uploading the certificate, we click on the Upload button. On successful upload, a confirmation message will pop up on the bottom of the screen. In the citizenship proof, the user has the option to choose between the voter and Aadhaar card. The same procedure is to be followed with this field too. In the affidavit section, the user can download the affidavit from the dashboard. The same affidavit needs to be filled up and uploaded. Accordingly, all the required documents need to be uploaded. We press the Save and Continue button to move to the final step of the form filling procedure, that is confirmation and payment. This is the preview and final submission page where the user can look for any errors in the data submitted in the previous two steps. If in case of any error, the user can click the Edit button and make the necessary changes. After checking the error, the user needs to click on the Pay and Submit button. On a successful submission, the user will receive an acknowledgement slip as a proof of successful form submission to the department. After the payment is done, the user needs to wait for some time for the department to process the applicant. On checking the status of the application, the status should show submitted. After the department has finished with the proceeding of the application, the status of the application should show approved, and on the side, the user will have the option to download the certificate. On clicking the download certificate, the user can download the OBC certificate. With this, we come to the end of the tutorial.